Welcome to another video of Numbers Word. In this video, we are going to multiply and divide two fractions with the help of 5 different types of examples. So let's just start it. To multiply two fractions, we are going to follow three simple steps. In the first step, we are going to simplify the numerator of our first fraction and the denominator of our second fraction. Here we will see that in which table both numbers come, or in other words, we are going to find the highest common factor of both numbers. So here we have 2. We will cut our number and then write a new answer over here. Like 2 9s are 18, so cut 18 and write 9. And 2 7s are 14, so 7 will come with it. As a second step, we are going to do the same procedure with our next pair. We will simplify the numerator of the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction. And the highest common factor for that is 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. In third step, we are going to straight multiply our answers like 9 and 3, which is equal to 27, and 4 7s are 28. So our new fraction, the answer is 27 by 28. Here you may notice that the fraction which we get is not further divisible. We cannot simplify it any further. But if the answer is 27 by 9, we are going to simplify it as well. So we will discuss it in the next example. Let's do our example number 2. And you may see that the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction, they cannot be simplified because they do not come in the same table except for 1, and we do not simplify the numbers on 1. So in that case, they will remain as it is. We will move towards our next pair, which is 20 and 8. We will see that in which table both numbers come. Here we have two options, 2 and 4. 4 is our highest common factor and we should do the process with it. But what if we do it with 2? What if we will divide 20 on 2? So 2 tens are 20 and 2 4s are 8. Here, now we are going to multiply our numerators like 5 and 10 and denominators like 4 and 9. The answer will be 50 by 36. You may clearly see that 50 and 36 both are even numbers and can be simplified on 2. 2 25s are 50 and 2 18s are 36. So the answer fraction is 25 by 18. So here we have our example number 3, in which I want you to solve in 5 seconds and then I will explain it to you. So your time starts now. So you may clearly see that 7 and 8 cannot be simplified on any table, and 3 and 11 as well. In that case, we are going to multiply our numerators and denominators. So the answer will be 77 by 24, which cannot be further simplified. Start the process of dividing two fractions, but there is a rule that you should keep in your mind, that is keep, change and flip. Keep your first fraction, change your operation and flip the second fraction. So let's start apply it. We are going to keep our first fraction, which is 8 by 20. We'll change our operation from division to multiplication and we'll flip the fraction from 6 by 4 to 4 by 6. So this is what we get as a result. So the rest of the process is same. Like we are going to divide 8 and 6 on 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. And 4 by 20 will be simplified on 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Then we are going to multiply our numerators and denominators. The answer will be 4 by 15. So I'm going to start example number 2. So let's apply the rule. Keep your first fraction, change your operation and flip the next fraction, which is 10 by 9. So after applying the fraction, we get 3 by 5 multiplied by 9 by 10. So here, some students just get confused that 9 is a multiple of 3. So we can divide 3 and 9 on same table. And similar is the case with 5 and 10 as well, that they are also divisible on 5. But here we do not do straight cutting, we do cross cutting. We will see 3 and 10. They cannot be simplified. They do not come in the same table. And similarly, 5 and 9 cannot be simplified. So in that case, we are not going to cut them. We are not going to simplify them. We will directly multiply our numerators and denominators. So 3 9s are 27 and 5 10s are 50. The answer is also not further divisible. So that's why we will leave it as it is. So 27 by 50 will be our answer. I hope you liked my video, so don't forget to like and comment on my video and subscribe my channel. See you soon.